Shiba Inu Coin and the overall cryptocurrency market having a pretty tough day today, and the price of Shiba Inu Coin testing those lows around 800 points per coin again. Now, here's the thing, and here's the question that I've been seeing a lot lately in live streams, on social media, and so on. Will Shibarium cause Shiba Inu Coin and Bone to pump back up? And if so, how high do you think they're going to go? How long's the pump going to last? All of that stuff. So we're going to be going over that in this video because, yes, I do believe the excitement surrounding Shibarium will cause a pump for the price of Shiba Inu Coin and Bone, but... and there's a but, and it's going to be very similar to kind of the action that we saw when the Shibarium beta test was released. The MainNet could cause a more sustained gain, but we need to talk about it, and we need to learn from what we saw on the Shibarium testnet. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they do offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But you guys got to be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate the risk of holding on a centralized exchange and make it your asset, you got to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, let's take a look at the price action, all right? Shiba Inu Coin coming down today and testing some pretty significant lows, and we're going to talk about that in a second. We've been going over it a lot lately, so I don't feel like we need to focus on it. But with Bitcoin potentially falling through that $27,000 level of resistance, it may be testing, or support, sorry, it may be testing $25,000 per coin. If Bitcoin continues to fall, the overall market will continue to fall as well. Ethereum testing levels below $1,800, and we were just at $2,000 per coin within a week ago. I mean, when Pepe was running and everything was looking good, Ethereum was ripping. Now the cryptocurrency market is showing a little bit more concern and a little bit more fear, and that is transferring over into the price of Shiba Inu Coin. So, looking at Shiba Inu Coin, and one of the major catalysts that will be coming out soon, right? That's what we're told from the ecosystem team. It could be next month, it could be next year, who the heck really knows, but X-Fund or Unification has finally provided us with a little bit of an update, so it does seem like things are progressing towards the Shibarium MainNet release. Now, what did we learn from the Shibarium testnet release? That is that people, and they are always doing this, they are buying the rumor and selling the news. We know that Shibarium, the testnet, is doing very well so far, but Bone shot up to above $2 per coin, or $2 per token, when people were hyped up about the Shibarium release. Shortly after the release, it sold off and dropped below $1 per coin. Now you're looking at Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu Coin actually performed very well and shot up to, nearly 1,200 to 1,500 points per coin. And then, of course, fell down afterwards. So Shiba Inu Coin also getting a little pump from the Shibarium testnet release. Not a huge one, but, a decent 50% gain to 100% gain from where we are right now in prices. And then, of course, selling off afterwards as people sold the news. I believe we could see a very similar situation, except it may be a steadier sell-off or less of a sell-off after the Shibarium mainnet. Why? Because that's when things get real. People will be hyped. People will be excited. They will be talking about the Shibarium mainnet release when it does happen, and they will be flocking back in to make sure that they buy and sell and trade Shiba Inu Coin and Bone. It's going to be that buy the rumor type of event. when people or when the ecosystem team or unification or whoever it is begins hinting at the release of Shibarium, we could see a price spike in Shiba Inu Coin and Bone. Now, it may go, since here's the tough part to determine, and nobody can predict the future, so we don't know how high Bone and Shiba Inu Coin are going to go, but what we can look at is the past performance. Unfortunately, we may be coming off lower lows, and if the price of Shiba Inu Coin continues to come down before we reach that hype and the speculation around Shibarium's mainnet release, we may not make it back up to as high levels. So just know that when that hype begins, it is going to be important to determine the starting point before you find the ending point. Now, knowing that, once the mainnet actually comes out, I do believe we're going to see that price dip as people are kind of selling into the news there. But what we've got that could sustain the price action is the fact that Bone will be a necessity at that time. You will absolutely need to use Bone in order to use Shibarium. It's the same way you need Ethereum if you're paying gas fees to buy ERC20 tokens or Ethereum or make any transaction on the Ethereum network. You need Ethereum in your wallet. You will need Bone in your wallet. Can it go back up to the $2 price? Absolutely, it can, but also depends on where it starts from. So if Bone is starting from a lower price, it's going to be more difficult to get back up to that $2 price. But what we might see is a more sustained price after the mainnet release than we saw during the Shibarium testnet release. Nonetheless, guys, the overall cryptocurrency market is absolutely plagued right now with indecision, uncertainty, fear, doubt, all of the nonsense that is causing these prices to move lower and investors to move to safer and more secure assets like banks. When bank accounts are paying 5-6% a year, it is very difficult to justify investing in the stock market, which averages 5 to 6% per year. So we're just going to have to see how things play out here, but I do believe that Shiba Inu Coin and Bone will both pump on the Shibarium mainnet release. Only time will tell if that becomes true. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if you expect the pump, I want to know your price predictions because you guys ask me all the time. I'm setting them similar to the previous levels that were reached, but I want to know what you guys think. Now, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.